Working on our boom truck today. Having a bit of a running warm issue. Got fluid. Got the ghetto bird in the background. That's the thermostat housing. We're going to try to get to it, take it off, put some new thermostats in it, go from there. Thermostat housing's off. There's the housing. I've slightly modified the thermostats. Basically took the guts out. I'm going to put it back together, see if it stays cool. If so, I'll take it back apart, get 2 new thermostats. Old school troubleshooting, I guess you'd call it.